Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to bring you the latest updates on the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 drone. This upcoming release promises significant upgrades in design, image quality, and additional features that will likely shake up the drone industry. Design and portability. The DJI Mini 5 continues the Mini series legacy of compact and lightweight design, making it one of the most portable drones on the market. Weighing under 250 grams, it easily fits within drone regulations in many countries, allowing users to fly without needing special licenses or permits. This lightweight nature is ideal for travelers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, as it's easy to carry without adding significant bulk to their gear. In terms of design, the Mini 5 doesn't sacrifice quality despite its small size. The drone features a sleek, streamlined body that not only looks professional, but also enhances aerodynamics. This results in smoother flights and better battery efficiency, allowing for longer flying sessions. The foldable arms add to its portability, making it easy to pack in a small bag or backpack. Once you reach your destination, the Mini 5 is quick to unfold and can be ready to fly in just a few minutes. The design also prioritizes user convenience. Its small size and weight mean you can carry it comfortably for hours, whether you're scaling mountains or exploring urban landscapes. The combination of portability, ease of use, and stylish design makes the DJI Mini 5 a versatile tool for anyone looking for high-quality aerial footage without the hassle of lugging around a larger drone. Overall, the Mini 5 excels in providing a blend of practicality and performance, making it an attractive choice for both casual and professional users. Image quality. The most exciting upgrade in the Mini 5 is its larger 1-inch sensor. This helps capture more light, improving the image quality, especially in low light settings. Whether it's a city at night or a beautiful sunset, the Mini 5 delivers sharper, more vibrant photos and videos. Other features. The DJI Mini 5 is rumored to introduce several advanced features that enhance both its usability and performance. One key upgrade could be improved image stabilization. This would make the Mini 5 capable of delivering smoother footage, even in challenging flight conditions like strong winds or fast movements. This is especially valuable for videographers who need steady shots without additional editing or post-processing. Improved video quality is another exciting possibility. The Mini 5 is expected to support higher resolution video recording, possibly 4K at higher frame rates, which would offer more detailed and crisp footage. This would appeal to content creators and professionals who demand top-tier video performance for their projects. Another major rumor is the inclusion of obstacle avoidance technology. This feature would allow the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path, making it much safer to operate, especially for beginners or in complex environments like forests or urban areas. It would also allow for more automated flight modes such as active track or waypoints, which can follow subjects or fly predetermined routes without constant manual control. Lastly, the Mini 5 may see an increase in flight time. With advances in battery technology and aerodynamics, the drone could potentially fly longer than its predecessors, allowing for extended shooting sessions without frequent recharging. This is particularly beneficial for professional users who rely on longer flight times for large projects or remote shoots. These rumored features would significantly enhance the Mini 5's capabilities, making it a versatile tool for both casual users and professionals seeking a compact but powerful drone. Release information. The DJI Mini 5 is expected to launch in November 2024, though exact details on the release date and pricing haven't been confirmed yet. The anticipation around this drone is growing, and it's sure to bring exciting advancements to the market. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 looks set to impress with its enhanced image quality, compact design, and potential new features. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, it offers a great solution for aerial photography. What do you think about the DJI Mini 5? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.